Hi, welcome to Maths Nibuna, your maths buddy. Okay, so this video we will look at question Kangaroo Math 2020 Ecolia. Okay, Ecolia is for year 3 and year 4. Okay, question 1. A mushroom grows every day. Mary takes a picture of the mushroom each day from Monday to Friday. Which of these pictures was taken on Tuesday? So this question says the mushroom grows every day. Okay, when the mushroom grows every day, so it will start from the lowest to the highest, or the shortest to the highest. We have to arrange it first. Okay, when we look at this 5 picture, this is the shortest. Let's say we put 1. Okay, this is the second. Okay, this is the third. This is the fourth, and this is the fifth, the tallest. So Tuesday is the second day. We start on Monday. Tuesday is the second day. So the answer should be E. Okay. Okay, let's look at question 2. Which piece completes the pattern? So we have to look at the pattern here. Okay, here we have something like flowers. So one is missing. So at this corner should be something, a circle or ellipse. And then here is looks like a star. So this corner should be something star to fulfill the star. This one we have a curve here, and then this one we have something same like the top corner just now. So when look at these 5 picture, so first we look which one has something like this here. Should be something like this. Okay, this one is out. This one can. This one can. This one also out. The corner is different. Look at the maybe you look at this corner first. This corner should be something like this. Okay, curve. So when we look at this one, out. Okay, it's also out. So only left this one. So when look at the other remaining 2 corners, it looks like like this. Looks like a star. So the correct answer is E. Okay, question 3. Tishka sets all the squares in grid where the result is 20. Okay, whenever you see the result, the plus or minus got 20, you have to set it. So if you do that, which one of from this picture you can get from here? Okay, so first 16 plus 4 is 20, so we set it. Okay, 19 plus 1 is 20, so there's a shade here. 28 minus 8, 20, so this is also selected. Okay, and then 2 times 20 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20, so this is also correct. 16 minus 4 is 12, so this one cannot. 7 times 3 is 21, so this also cannot. So now which one is the correct answer? First 3 top we have shaded. Okay, okay, this one all out, so bottom is only 1, so the answer is A. Okay, question number 4. Which of the following figures has the largest shaded area? Okay, so we have to count. Okay, this one, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this one got half, this one got half, so half plus half is 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. Look at the second one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then here we got half. So this is 12 and half. Okay, just right here. Okay, number 3. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, this is half only. I count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this one and this one, half and half become 1, 12. Then this one and half. So this is also 12 and half. Okay, that's right. Look at the D. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is half. So we have also same 12 and half. The last one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this one and this one, half and half, 1. It's 10. This one, 11. This one and this one, 12. This one and half. Also, we have 12 and half. So, the question asks us the largest shaded area should be A. The answer is A. Question 5. Which one of the following figure below can you make with these pictures or these pieces? So we have two circles here. Okay, two circles. One small triangle, one large triangle, one equilateral triangle, and one rectangle. Okay, we look at question A. Okay, we have two this type of triangle, but here we only has one, so A cannot. Okay, look at here, we have one square, here don't have square, so this is also wrong. Here we have one small circle, this is also cannot. Here we have two circle, one rectangle, one big triangle, but two equilateral triangle, so this is also cannot. Here we have one circle, two circle, one small triangle. Okay, this here one small triangle, one large triangle, and one equilateral triangle. So the answer is E. Okay, just look at these pieces and then just combine to make it something. Okay, question 6. Ellie draws this square. Okay, she draws a square, 4 by 4 square, with chalk on a pavement. She starts from number 1. Okay, that means she starts here. Okay, she starts from number 1. Okay, and then each time she jumps, she always jump to a number that is 3 more than number. If 1, she have to go to 1 plus 3, 4. If 10, 10 plus 3, 13. If 25, 25 plus 3, 8, 28. That means you have to jump, every time you jump, you have to find a number which is plus 3. Okay, the question asks what is the largest number Ellie can jump to. Okay, now so it starts from 1. Okay, it starts from 1, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. So from here she will goes here 4. Okay, and then from 4 plus 3 is 7. She cannot go everywhere, she only can go here. Okay, 7. Okay, and then from 7 plus 3 is 10. She have to go here, and then from 10 plus 3 is 13. She cannot go here, she have to go 13. Then 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 is here, and then 16 plus 3 is 19. So 19 she will go here, and then 90 plus 3 is 22. But here we don't have 22, so she cannot go anywhere. She have to stop here. So the largest number she have to go is 19. Okay, so the answer is D. Okay, question 7. Okay, question 7. George glues this 6 sticker to the faces of cube. Okay, the picture shows the cube in 2 position. Okay, which sticker is in opposite of the duck? Okay, where we have duck? Okay, here we have duck. So opposite is what? We don't know. So, but confirm these two cannot be opposite of the dark. That means the B cannot be opposite of the dark. Okay, we cut it. And also, I think this is looks like red. Also cannot be opposite of the dark because these two are sides of the dark. Okay, when you look at the second one, second cube, also we can decide cat also cannot be opposite of the dark. Opposite of the dark is here. Okay, so cat also can be rejected, and also elephant also cannot be opposite of the dark because elephant is a side of the dark. So only left is we have only one now. That answer is E. The fly comes opposite of the dark. Okay. At 8. Casper has the following 7 shaded pieces. Okay, 7 shaded pieces, each one has a different number of squares. This one got 1, this one got 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, this one 5, this one 6, this one 7 squares, different squares. So now you want to use as many different pieces as possible to fill inside these white boxes. Okay, now we look at this picture. Okay, let's say this is the question. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 white squares. Okay, to make as many as pieces inside this one, we must start with the lowest one. We put first number 1, the single square first. Okay, and then we try to fill up a double square, and then 3 squares, and then 4 squares. Okay, and then 5 squares. Now we have only left 2 more square, but we have here 6, we have here 7. Let's say I want to bring these 6, want to fill up here. Cannot, because I cannot overlap. Okay, so if I want to fill these 6 into here, so I have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is 4? Okay, here I have a 4, I take it out, and then I shift it here, and then I fill the 6 pieces here. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So total are 5 pieces, so that I can fix inside these squares. Okay, so the answer is 5. C. Okay, question 9. Cindy colors each region on the pattern either, I make it bigger, either red, blue or yellow. The region that touch each other have different color. Okay, the outer region of the pattern is colored red. How many regions is colored red? Okay, this question we have to start with the outer region, red color. Okay, let's say this is the picture we have. So when outer region is red in color, okay, this is outer region. So this one we color with red. Okay, this one all I color with. If you have a color pencil, you can bring the color pencil, so that you can do some coloring, or you have to do different shapes. Okay, but don't waste too much of time to solve this question. Okay, this is red. Okay, outer region is red, and then the next region touches. Okay, next region can be any other color but cannot be red. Okay, so let's say I use 2 more color. Okay, I use blue. Do they have blue? Okay, either red, blue, yellow. Yes, they got blue. Okay, the next one, let's say this one, I color blue. This is blue color. Okay. Okay. And then this one yellow, this one red, this one blue. Sorry, this one red, this one blue. The middle color must be something different. So let's say this is yellow color. I use shapes only. I use pattern, not shape. I use pattern. Because I don't have a yellow color, I use pattern. Okay, let's say this is yellow color. Okay, now when comes here, okay, here got blue, here got yellow, so this one must be red. So these two color cannot. So only reds can go here. Okay. Now we look at here. This one blue, this one red. So this one must be yellow. So I use shape. I use pattern. Okay, let's say this is yellow. Okay. And then this is yellow, this is red, and then this must be blue. Okay, this must be blue. And then finally, this is yellow, this is blue, this must be red. So the question asks us, how many region is color red? So we have 1, 2, 3 region in red in color. So the answer is 3C. Okay, look at question 10. Lois looks at the pyramid from above. He is looking from top view. Okay, this is a side view. Now he is looking the pyramid from the top view. So what does Lois see from top? So now what you do, you draw back the picture. Okay, bottom you have a square. This is a square at the bottom. So this is a square. Okay, all the squares are black in color, correct? And then the pyramid, here we have one black. Okay, this is center. We have one black. Okay, we have a black. And then this is a white. This is a gray. This is a gray. So we have black, white, gray, gray. So at this one ABCD answer, you see which one got black, white, gray, gray. We start from black. Here we start black. This one is black, this one is black. So cannot be, because two black out. Okay, you cancel it. Okay, now B. Black, white, gray, gray. Black, gray, white, gray. So this is also cannot. C. Black, white, gray, gray. There's a possibility C is a correct answer. We just mark first before we test the other two. Okay, look at C. Okay, black, gray, gray, white. Okay, black, gray, gray, white. So this is also out. We want black, white, gray, gray. And then last one, black, gray, black, white, also out. So the correct answer is C.